You know what takes most general contractors the longest part of their day? It's not the job site, it's not the drive, it's not even all those texts and calls from the client. It's the estimate. A bathroom remodel like this should take 20 minutes, ends up taking you 2 hours, 3 hours. And by the time you send it, the homeowner has already moved on. I'm going to show you how to do this differently, and I just want you to give me about 4 minutes. We're going to estimate a bathroom remodel from scratch using Handoff. This bathroom that I'm in right now, a full gut remodel, demo tile, double vanity here, new mirrors, toilet, new fixtures, paint, the works. This kind of job that general contractors do every week. I'm not going to skip any steps. I'm not going to speed up the post. I want you to watch it live happen in real time. I'm going to hop on my computer. I'm going to show you on the phone how Handoff is going to be a game changer for your estimates. And at the end, we're going to have a complete professional estimate ready to send. Let's go. Believe it or not, all I need to estimate this whole bathroom remodel, this full gut job, is my Handoff app on my phone right here. So I'm just going to talk into the Handoff app, and I'm going to say, got a full gut remodel here, bathroom. We have a double vanity, plumbing. It's a newer house, so the plumbing should be good at the bottom. We're going to need 2 new sconces, a double mirror for the double vanity, new fixtures. We're going to remove demo this built in here. I'm going to take a picture. Another picture of the sconces, a mirror. Ceilings are about 9 feet, and we're going to do new floor tile throughout, so demo that. And the double vanity is going to be standalone, so we will need tile underneath. Keeping all outlets, replacing the toilet. Going to need a new shower tile. We'll demoing here, new fixtures. Keeping the shelves there. And we'll replace the bathroom vent, and we will need, we're going to keep the original tub, and we're going to keep this cabinetry here, not removing that. Door stain, vents are good. Keeping the can light, and just one more quick picture of the shower. So we're doing new subway tile throughout, removing that decorative tile at the end. And that's it. So there you go, from start to finish, from walkthrough of the bathroom remodel, talking through the scope, snapping a few photos. You saw Handoff in action, what it looked like inside the app, and then it generated an estimate in about 3 minutes. So I needed 1 minute for the walkthrough. Obviously, bigger project, you need to take a little bit more time. But 1 minute, you know what you're doing. You can take a few photos, talk to the scope, give it some general measurements, but you don't even have to, because the AI will do the measurements for you from the photos. And then it generated the estimate. So 4 minutes is all you needed. So obviously I'm going to have to go in and edit, but I'm in my truck now. I could, do the edits from my truck, send it to the homeowner for approval, and beat all the other contractors that they're going to go with. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to my desk, show you on my laptop exactly what Handoff looks like and everything you can do with it, from creating material lists, creating a client portal, daily logs, scheduling, the works, even create renderings of that new bathroom remodel. Yeah, we're just going to hop into my computer and show you what Handoff's all about. All right, you saw Handoff in action just from my phone. 1 minute doing the walkthrough, talking through my scope, taking some photos of the bathroom remodel project, and then letting Handoff do its thing. I was able to get the estimate ready to edit, ready to add anything I needed to within 3 minutes. So 4 minutes total from getting to the client's house to getting your estimate in hand. This is a true game changer. But now you might be thinking, what else can Handoff do? Because Handoff is much more than just giving you fast estimates with professional proposals. So here is the project that you saw me do the estimate on. I'm going to show you what it looks like on desktop. So this is an estimate that it provided. Right now I have it connected to Home Depot, but you can also connect it to Lowe's and recently Ferguson Home, or you can mix and match if you need to. And here's where you'll kind of go in and do any edits based on, the way you do things. And the cool thing about this is once you do one bathroom remodel, you can set your typical things. If you have a set rate for drywallers, for tilers, whatever, you set that rate and it just replicates the process. So you think of it as like creating a template, for example. And so it gives you here the breakdown of everything. You can kind of toggle them on and off as you're working through the different line items here. And so then here's our estimate. So then if you want to, you can go ahead and convert this to a proposal to send to your client. And, it's going to email them. You can add your client here. I have a client connected to it. You're going to, send them a message, and then you can preview and send. You can also set up payments based on, if you have your 30% to start the project, then your milestone payments. Put any files, any blueprints, whatever. Obviously, it's a bathroom. I'm not going to have any blueprints, but if they're working with an interior designer, you can add file that she sends for your fixtures and whatever else. So there you can send that to your client, and you can also you can send the invoice, what I just mentioned with setting up the payments. And then you have simple, easy to do change orders here. So if there's a change to your floor tile layout, vanity choice, mirror choices, these things are going to affect your estimate, right? So you don't want to have to eat that cost yourself. So you can create a simple change order from your estimate. You can also create daily logs where you can document what happens each day. And then from here, you can connect your daily logs to a client portal. All right, so here I have a client connected to it. I can enable my client portal. It's going to send them a invitation email. So your client portal is where you'll send periodic updates to your client. And what this does is it avoids those calls, those texts, like, how's my project coming along? And so then you can actually include your subs, your project manager, whoever is involved with this project. You can send them an email and invite them as well. And you can put your updates right in here so everybody's on the same page. And of course, your client is not constantly emailing you, texting you, trying to figure out where the project is going. Okay, so we have our proposal just from that estimate, from our walkthrough estimate. We have change orders, invoices, daily logs, any documents. If this record a meeting feature is really cool too. Especially with the bigger projects where you're sitting down, talking to your client, talking to a sub, you can record the meeting, and everything is here inside of your project management dashboard. So all those pictures that I took for the estimate are also here. You can also generate schedules. So for your project timeline, so your subs are on the same page, so you know exactly who's supposed to be where, what's supposed to get done, and all that good stuff. You can also create renderings from your estimate. So I can ask Handoff to create a rendering of the new bathroom. And so with the rendering, just like if you're using ChatGPT, Claude, or some other AI, you need to try to be as specific as possible so you can get an accurate rendering. And so another powerful tool, people love to see what their project is going to look like. And there you have it. So here's my project dashboard inside of Handoff. This is the bathroom that I just did. Again, everything right inside your project management dashboard here. Keep the client updated, estimates, invoices, scheduling, documents, all in one place. Thanks for watching this video. Just wanted to kind of show you the back end of Handoff. But ultimately, I wanted to show you how fast you could do your estimates from walkthrough to estimate in hand. 4 minutes is all that we needed. Most residential contractors are still trying to get leads the same way that they did 10, 15 years ago.